Alright, so here I am, riding my street triple. Woo. I was braking a little too early there. Just hogging both sides of the road like I don't even care. Doesn't even matter who's gonna stop me. Okay. So obviously I'm playing Ride. Not actually riding my bike. Oop. Never even happened. Can't do that in real life. Okay, so yeah, playing Ride. Got a blizzard of 3 feet of snow outside, so I cannot really ride my motorcycle unless I want to murder it, which I'd rather not do. Yeah, rear brake hogging it. Downshift through the turn, no big deal. So, I don't play this game on hard or anything because then it becomes too realistic and I can't control it. It's hard to get that concept down onto a little controller. Oop, nope, too sharp, too sharp. Ooh. Look at that beautiful bike. Accelerate, bitch, jeez. What are you doing? Punch it. I was pinning the throttle that whole time, but it just wasn't given. Eek. I love this bike. Oh god. Didn't happen. What a beautiful, beautiful bike. Looks just like mine, except I don't have gold wheels. Should paint my wheels gold. Why am I in 6? What am I doing? Jeez. Street triple can handle any corner. Third gear is my favorite on the bike in real life too. Smashing the red line. Oh god. Whoops. Why not? So my computer mic kinda sucks, just like my current helmet mic, but I finally got a better microphone for my helmet. I just gotta get it set up. God, rip faster, Jesus. Auto brakes are on. Ghost now. Right. Yeah, they're definitely on. God, sand. Sand, not good. Get out of it. myself. Climb, man, climb. Jesus. Stupid auto brakes.
Do come and get it, you want hip-hop the way that it was. To be more fun to hang around instead of killing my buzz. It's windmills, motherfucker, and we're happy you came. Do I expect those to front? That's the way I was raised. To put my hand on the record, all kind of different methods. I've walked across
Really shifted gears like that in such a hard lane, you would have just died.
Techniques to eat you alive. I'd rather die the kind of person if I did what I felt than living long and giving up on what I thought of myself. So take it elsewhere, there's words that don't need to be said. You either put it into action and deal with it then. Fire burning, I'm not concerned with me hurling another word, and I'm on the verge of determination paying off. There's a world inside of me that is sacred. The world I'm living in wants to hide like information.
Alright, but yeah, so this blizzard's killing me. I can't wait to actually ride my motorcycle again. Not be playing pretend motorcycles. Been doing nothing but shoveling for 8 hours yesterday and 3 hours today. Did change my oil for my street triple on the first day of the blizzard though. Oh man, get me on my ghost. Fuck. Bullshit is what I always come across with. I'll break your mind as if you're wild horses. It's supposed to be sunny all this week, so hopefully it'll melt a lot of the snow off the road and I can be riding by the weekend.
But good enough for me, it's hard to even know if we've met.
God, that's so far away. How I just crashed right there is what my soul felt like, realizing it won't be a week until I ride. I'll do it again. Just like real life. Yeah. Come on, pop, pop. There we go. Too much.
Beyond the globe, communication is a language I speak, where I can hear the good and evil fighting over its reach. A deep thinking creep wearing out the same old clothes, who loves to see how you react while playing shows unknown. I'm with enough drive inside of me to find another lane, to make a road for myself that wasn't already paved. If everything I do in life shouldn't have an applause, then why you hold my spotlight while I overindulge? Got people hating on an MC, 30 as fuck, like I'm the only one who isn't trying to cover it up. Who is using a toothbrush to keep a pair of sneakers clean, or my find a box cutter in the pocket of the jeans. Not the type to ever listen to the way things are. It's for the small-minded people who can't see real far. In these times of the rhyme of it's dead, it's alive. Do you cry when you laugh, or you laugh then you cry?
I'm not laughing at you, I'm laughing with you, but I'm not laughing.
Can't do a wheelie right now. Jeez, too much. Oh well, I give up. Until next time.